Let's see how can we use the app for us. So first go to Play Store and search it weekly planning. Then down install it. Nowadays most of us in online like YouTube or any social media, so we can add a little benefit for us by using a new app for weekly planning. So let's start it. How can we use the best app for us? After installing, next open the app and go to the app page, and you can write your plan of the day as you want, and you can you can color it any color like this, and you can see your day planning overview and week planning overview, even your month planning. And here like this you can make your a day better, and you can make like this a weekly better. And you can see here I just write some plan of the day, and it's like sample, like an example of my daily plan. And you can color the writing various color, and like this you can make your day better. And after the day you can score your plan that how work. And after that you can also add that how can you make your tomorrow better from the day. And you can overview of your week, like 1 week. That's it. Thank you very much for enjoying this video.